Welcome to qnawire.
Data represents the ages of our presidents at the time they were first inaugurated. Were the data obtained from the population or a sample? So if I'm taking a look at this, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So there's 45 here. So I would say that this is a population because at this time, there probably was about 45 presidents, okay? So 45 presidents. Okay, what was the age of the oldest president? So right now, I believe that 70 is the oldest president. What is the age of the youngest president? So I'm going to look for in the 40s. So I have 49, 42. And I believe that 42 is the youngest president. Okay. And it says construct a frequency distribution for your data. Use your own judgment as to the number of classes and sizes. So I'm going to go from 40 to 44, 45 to 49, 50 to 54, then 55 to 59, 60 to 64, 65 through 69, and then 70 through 74. And I don't believe anybody is in, I think 70 was the oldest. So I'm going to start doing these. So 40 to 44. So I have a 42. So let me do this. And frequency. So one of those. And then I have a 57. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 57s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have a 61. And I have a 58. And then another 61. A 54. A 68. And a 51. Then I have a 49. Trying to see if there's any other 64s. So there's two 64s. And then there is 150, 48, and 46, and 49. 1, 2, 3. And then 65, we'll do that one first. 52, we'll do that next. Then 56. And then 47. And then let me just get the rest of the 40s. 43. 46. Okay. And then now 55, 55. 1, 2. Oh, another 55. 51, there's two of them. And then 54. And then 56. Oh, and another 51. And then I have another 51. I feel like 51 is probably the most common age. A 60. A 54. A 62, 55, 56, a 61, 52, 69, 54, 47, and 70. Okay, so I have that, and so it goes 2, 7, 12, 12, 7, 3, and 1. And so just adding all of those up, 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus 12 plus 7 plus 3 plus 1 is 44. And which means I missed a number, 54. So that should be 13. Okay, so now I have 45 numbers. And so I'm going to do a, let's see, frequency distribution. So 2 out of the 45, which would be 4%. 7 out of the 45, which would be 16%. 13 out of the 45, which would be 29%. 12 out of the 45, which would be 27%. 7 out of the 45, which would be 16%. 3 out of the 45, which would be 7%. And then 1 out of the 45, which would be 2%. Okay, and so then it wants you to construct a histogram of this data. So when you construct a histogram, what I would do is obviously you'd go from 1 to 13, okay, and I would count by 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so 13's up here. And so I would go from, let's see, 40 to 45, and then 50, 60, 70, and then so 40 to 45, and then 80. Okay, so 40 to 45 would be, I should have went 55, then 60, 65, 70, 75. Sorry, I needed to continue counting by 5s. So then this would be 2, and then I'd go up to 7, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so approximately right there, and then you draw your bars, okay? And then that will be able to identify if there's any peaks, any outliers, and so on and so forth. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.